Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshot without power button in your phone Moto G04. Usually, to take a screenshot, you will use power button and volume down button together. But without using these buttons, you can take screenshot as well. For that, first go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. I would like to take a screenshot from this page. Okay, to take screenshot without power button, with your 3 fingers, just touch and hold on the screen and screenshot be taken. Okay, this is first method of taking screenshot without power button. Okay, then you have also other method of taking screenshot without power button. Just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings. Go to settings first. Go to settings, then go to accessibility. Go to accessibility and go to accessibility menu and turn on this button, accessibility menu shortcut. Give all permissions. This is accessibility menu shortcut. You can move and place anywhere on the screen. I have placed here and go to home page. Now go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. I would like to take a screenshot from this VSP college job page, and to take a screenshot, just touch on this accessibility menu shortcut and swipe from the right side to left side. Just one swipe and you will see screenshot icon there. Just click it and screenshot be taken. Okay, so in these two methods you can take a screenshot without power button. To go to the screenshot that you took now, just go to files in your phone and then go to internal storage, then go to pictures folder and locate screenshots folder, and you will see the screenshot that you took recently. Okay, so in this way you can easily take a screenshot without power button and also locate that screenshot from the internal storage in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.